getting ready to travel to Ireland. And before I go, I need to get my iPhone 17 Pro Max and my travel tech completely ready for the adventure.
Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So I'm getting ready for a trip to Ireland. I'm so excited. And today we're getting my iPhone 17 Pro Max travel ready. So we're going to set up my new case, install a new screen protector, install a new camera protector, organize my Apple gear, and figure out what tech is coming with me. So let's get started.
I'm expecting to take a ridiculous number of photos and videos in Ireland, so I'm giving the camera a little refresh before I go. I'm really excited to see what the iPhone can capture because Ireland is going to be the ultimate camera test. Before a big trip, I always like starting with a fresh screen protector. My iPhone is going to be with me all day, taking photos, checking maps, and documenting the trip, so I want to protect it before I even leave. I'm getting my iPhone 17 Pro Max into Ireland travel setup. I want something that's comfortable to hold, protects my phone, and of course looks good while I'm traveling. But I'm not completely sure this is the case that's actually coming with me yet. Now it's time to figure out what tech is actually coming with me. Obviously, the iPhone is coming, my Apple Watch is coming for all the walking and exploring, my AirPods is coming for the airport and the flight, and definitely I want to bring my Insta360 Luna Ultra for framing control while capturing Ireland. Before I leave, everything is getting fully charged. The last thing I want is to be in the middle of exploring Ireland and realize I forgot to charge something. I'm also doing a quick digital cleanup before I leave. I want to make sure I have enough storage for all the photos and videos I'm about to take. I'm also making sure I have everything I'll need while I'm traveling, so I can spend less time worrying about my phone and more time actually enjoying Ireland. And of course, I had to give my iPhone a little Ireland makeover. Okay, I think I finally have my Ireland tech setup figured out. Well, almost. Because I still have one very important decision to make. Which iPhone case should I take to Ireland? I guess you'll have to wait until the next video to find out.